So when we went EDA, I think it was kind of giving events a voice, right? And now we're with Agentic AI, we just gave it an opinion. Would you say that?
That's a nice way to put it, yes.
Now we can talk about this particular sentence for another 5 minutes. Oh man. Oh dude.
Why do you think people still don't see the relationship between events and agents now?
Definitely it's a mindset change. What I'm thinking is that every single message is a big opportunity. Data is gold for any integration. Anything that has data is really our value. All the value is there. Everything is an opportunity. So you can do much more with the information are flowing. And you can use it in a more creative way. And the great thing about event-driven is that, again, you don't need to interrupt something that has been already implemented. It's just, you just take the same message asynchronously and do more. You can add capabilities without changing whatever you have. And I could not think about any other way to do implementation, especially for agents. Agents are still, I mean, technology is becoming better and better, it's faster and faster, but you still have some delays in the information coming up from LLM for obvious reason. And you cannot wait. You just have to take this information and do more.
As we go into this era of autonomous agents, where we so of course human in the loop is human in, so there are ways of putting human in the loop, but more and more I think after a couple of years, 3 years, you will see more autonomous agents coming in, right, where the technology has surpassed all all expectations, and you've kind of realized that these things are very good at doing their own job and coming back to us with results. And if that is the era that we are planning for, then it is, I mean, it is I cannot even think of synchronous processes running. It has to be all asynchronous. You have to fire and forget, let the agent run, do its own thing, and then get notified when it's done. Right? I mean, that's the so right now it's a bit, again, I can understand why people are not able to think of it. Why people are not able to think of events and agents together, because we are talking about chatbots. But the more you start thinking about autonomous agents, the more you start think more this whole thing of EDA and agents makes sense.
Okay, so Andrea Nogello and Piyush Krishna. I don't know how we ended up recording a session like this. But man, I'm so happy we hit on record.